Tell everybody, we did everywhere in the world or anywhere where you find yourself, where you listen to me right now. You understand me? Sometimes in this life where we live, you see, they get some people it be those what they call snake under grass. You understand me? Let me just get straight to the point. You understand me? Guys, you know, say me and medical, we fight for something for Ghana. Pastors, did I do prophecy? Nonsense prophecy. It be we, Shatta Wale. It be we fight. We go jail. They change that thing. Because it be nonsense. It be nonsense for this country. One thing where they worry this country, where I want to tell everybody, be say, you see technology, it pass one appearance. With the new pickings where they born, where we know computer, with the new computer do things. When appearance, they know they appreciate it. They sound like, but that is where the world has gotten to. Like I can sit down right now here, right? You know, I say go radio station. You for go radio station and go sit there and explain something. But shouts to Mark Zuckerberg, man. You're helping the youths, man. You're helping somebody like Shatta Wale, you know, to get my message across the world. And God bless white man. God bless white man. Sometimes certain things that you go on with me and the watch say, what's up? Like how? Like what the fuck could be this? Like who the fuck they do this? Who the fuck they make this thing happen? We go jail camp. We say we want to do show for stadium. The time we say we want to do show, they say COVID, something. So we know if we, you know, use all the stadium. We say okay, cool. We get one of fans. We know say they will come support we. So we do the show for half of the stadium. We take that show like this is the Shatta movement and AMG anniversary. Every year we want to celebrate them. When we do this show, successful. We do another one, successful, 360. As to do and things, people say, my fans say, we go a lot of people. But my guy, the doctors come there, nurses come there, lawyers come there, judges come there, people with ministers say they there, go dead. They love the show. They love what we put up. No distraction. And last year, we used 11 days. The reason why I use 11 days, where they can't explain this thing to you, people, that the reason why we use 11 days, me, I tell my team, say, yo, when it's up to 11 days, let's fucking fuck the place up. And let people know. To do promo. Where we fill the stadium, 11 days. Companies where they use 2 months, 3 months, they do advert for stadium. They know the fee. Shatta Wale and medical, 11 days. We will fill the stadium. The reason is that there's an adage that goes, don't let them see you are coming. Because the moment you make them know you are coming, they will plan for you. Don't let them see you are coming. Fast forward, this year, I started on my team and I was like, yo, let's start doing promos. Because, you know, I got calls from like, you know, outside Ghana where everybody wants to come and enjoy the 360. You know, I got fans, shouts to my fans from Germany, shouts to my fans from London, you know, all those fans from America, you know, Canada, Australia, you know, Qatar, Dubai. I get people where they message me say this year they want can support. Make the 360 be good, make it look good. As we just put out flyer, bang. Stonebowy, them go put out flyer, say they do show 22nd. No problem. The stadium, you know, my father, so no problem. But meetings they go on, we get money. They will decide. This thing I tell you, like 1 month ago or 2 months, 1.5 months ago, we decide say we won't do this thing. So we start put some. I give some money. So I mean, let's go and book the stadium quickly, at least to respect protocol. Let's just get things done properly. As we can now say, they can't do festival. Where we get plenty things for lineup, where we can't do. That boy Stonebowy to say he won't do show 22nd. He won't do show 22nd. We put one at dates out, say from 20th. We want to do things, activities around. We want to involve all the youths. You understand me? There's a forum I want to do where I want to talk to most of the youths. It's not just a show. It's a Shatta Movement AMG Festival. We will want course so that every year we go feel have make government even get involved. We dey go meetings. Even today, where they hear say they say the date interval where they do, he go do this thing. So so make Stonebowy do in show, make we no do one a show. That's what they tell you right now. Say make Stonebowy do in show and make we do one a show next year. Shatta Movement. If you dey Ghana, where they hear say they talk this thing, where you no get sense. Where you no get sense to listen to this thing that you talk. Then you say you foolish person. If you say Afro Nation, they can't do for Ghana. Do you know how many weeks did they take set up? Where did they do them a show? Afro Nation. So Afro Nation, as government give them, they can do. They know up some company go come. They call them Fiber Nation. They go come. They will say they want to do a show before Afro Nation. The time where Afro Nation they take set up, no, that dates inside. No, they want to do show. No, then government okay, Afro Nation stop and let the people do their show. My nigga, Ghana we fuck up for here. It be fuck up country. You understand me? That's why sometimes I come here where they disrespect. If somebody come here where they can't talk to me, I understand. It be total foolishness. Which support with this? Something where we they do every year when our fans know. This they tell we say no, the way that thing do and the way and then apparently I meet Lord coming. Where they tell us we won't pay for the stadium. By the way, the delay for we make you pay for the stadium. Somewhere they said they call him Jude. Where they are Shama. People they watch in status stuff. Yeah, Jude, you see me? I'm a very bad boy. You understand me? I make research about you and everything already. Don't see her like that. I get boys, I get girls for streets. Did they watch your status? Jude actually was the one who was trying to make sure that yes, you know go have a show for them. This evening now they here. Say the times here, then we for choose one who go do the show and you see the people where they do the stadium, make I tell you something. You see what we they do? You know be kindergarten play. Oh. You understand me? You know be play thing where we they do for here. You understand me? If people their offices in the work, no say this one be to somebody work where you don't know what they go on for the work inside. So when we they do something, you for listen carefully and shut up. You people just come take this decision. What you want me to tell my fans? So fans, Charlie, they say the show we not go fit do one, but they say make Stonebowy doing on because you know say it be like elder brother and small brother. So today, this year the elder brother do, tomorrow make the small brother to do. Then very foolish people. All the people do the stadium the way you take that decision. Say make we not do one a show, but Stonebowy go fit doing show. Like what plan you want? You people want try feel there for him? They will say you know be Shatta Wale. Charlie, that life man pass. You see that thing we cause in history. Whatever fake thing you people go do and make it look like. You understand me? As Shaka no go fit talk say they go do show for O2. Then that's the video scene or the video don't say no, they won't do show like 2 days before Ashake show. So say yes, you know, make what mindset be this? Like we dey sick for this country. Or we not be okay. For God's sake. We put out one a flyer where we dey prepare for one a show. Then goes someone goes then somebody said, Charlie, you know, say you go fit do some show and you know you go fit like block Shatta in show. No, so say yeah, he go bring some news. Stonebowy, if you do this thing, if you get me, what the news? What you go take do? People they carry news. The world tour all you go, you know if you feel anywhere. You don't even feel a company. You don't even feel anywhere. Then people to look at you, they lie you. See, so you to do some. No, you will do some. Hey, make I tell you, everything we do, they be blessing. You no be giddy. You understand me? No be giddy. And you see the put they did the stadium. Make I tell you something. Some points we are laid down. We are make people understand. The stadium, you put out my team say to do show for the stadium there, you need 3 days setup. So if you go do the show 25th, we need 3 days ahead setup. So 23rd, 22nd, 23rd, 24th. Because you know say 25th where the show they come on. That's what to tell my team in the first place. Secondly, make I put this one out. Secondly, you put meeting with the prof there, or you and my team all have meeting. You people have meeting where you sit down. Where you now decide, say, no, you people can decide and we should have this thing held. And because you know, say, wherever this thing, people they Ghana way Stonebowy go pull gun for hours. As they won't come make gun matter happen for stadium. You people not think like your work you do. We know they come there can advise people. So you people not even think. See what people they do, it will cause chaotic movement in the country. That's why I say I call Lord coming while they tell them so. We don't want to do some show, but it be like stadium put forgive you some contract, we don't give you the contract and stuff like that. But they tell you to say Stonebowy go do in show, so and for hold on for why Stonebowy won't do in show into our dates where we put out. Why that thing? Why you won't do that thing? Because we have dates out already. That we have activities to run. We have companies that foreign companies that are coming on board to help this thing be a successful show. You understand me? So why this date? Can't you at least if you do your own like at least maybe 10th December or any other date December? Why into our dates of preparation? Why? The prof say, oh no, they go talk about them. They go see what they go talk about them. That time we hold money, we won't pay. They go do contract, they go do. No, this is your decision. All I hear be say they say the president in daughter call the stadium. Wait, the president in daughter they tell the stadium post say no, they for make we do the show. The stadium is not my own. The president daughter said no be your own. But what I want to talk be say, they for understand say, it be something where we they do every year. And if we say, as we they can do, we need days to set up. That's why I bring Afro Nation as example. So Afro Nation, they can do show. They set up. They use we to set up. We they Ghana with the sea. There are preparations towards Afro Nation. We they Ghana with the sea. Then somebody can pick date in within them and set up. Ask yourself, are you thinking? You got to we say president and daughter call in the way. How did they communicate to the president daughter for her to even call and say they for make Stonebowy do a show and make we no do one a show? How was the conversation? How did they convey? No say we they go and do a show for stadium and Shatta say you know go make we do so you know go allow we make we do. So very stupid. Oh, okay, make a change out. Oh, hello. Please. Hi. Yeah, you know, we have a problem. Or we want to do our show on the 22nd, and Shatta's on is on the 25th. But he's telling the stadium people he won't allow us to do it, and they don't want to give us the date. Oh, how? How can he say that? No, let me call them. Hello, Prof. Hello, please. Allow Stone. No, the stadium is for everybody. Everybody can. Very stupid talk, nonsense talk, foolish talk. But if he had explained that, they won't do show on the 22nd, but they hear say we do show on the 25th. But in the 25th, we need 3 days to set up and do it. Oh no, let's don't allow them. Let them do it. So after their week, you can also do your show perfectly. Well done. I talk something every time for this country inside. See the way people they do favoritism. Right now, I can't know Stonebowy be MPP artist. You understand me? He be MPP artist. He won't behave like he be MPP. He won't do like he be politics. He they play. No worry. We two go form Shatta Movement Party. Me, I don't want to join any political party. Because me, I know they feel lie. Me, I can't lie to my fans. You understand me? And see if this nonsense going to go on for this country. And big men go to sit down and go to watch this thing like this. Boss, people, country, I tell people, if something happen, make nobody can call me and say, if me I cause that thing. Because as this thing they go on, as I they do this video, as I they talk, nobody go even see the sense in which I they talk about until it happen. Then somebody go tell me say, oh, Shatta Wale said what? When I was sitting there and some pastor was saying that I will die. No police even wake up and say, hey, wow, can you know? Come on, let's go. Your friend and I in front of baby. But as I talk, say I die. That when the police get chance to even drive car, come to my house and can't talk, say, why say I talk, say I die? No sense. So they go lock me. As this thing they happen. Where they talk, they call president, and the way president daughter, they call her president daughter, he does showbiz, he do music. Does she know what is going on? It's the same way we don't know what is going on in the stadium in your job. So we can come and tell you about your job. So when we are telling you something that, no, master, what did they do? It cause problem. Because if somebody can do a show 22nd, he go enter into 23rd. How many days do you want us to use to do our setup in our festivities? Or you boy, they gonna like make I tell you, you see all the old men and the big men we see for this countryside. Technology past them. They are thinking or colloq. When they talk, they know they think, like they know they think into the talking. They know they think, like plan no day. My nigga, I did tell you something. Even I made a take the stone. Somebody they go fit take the stone and chew one. If they made take the green grass big bread. If they finish again, they go fish shake for the packed up and take make pancake. If they finish their chest, they go fit carry them for them ahead and take do gym like macho men. If they like the stadium, may they carry them and chop them. We don't mind, we don't care. My nigga, what I want to do for the stadium, I do one more. That competition where they Stonebowy I told you any more that cause yeah, you did top way if you say everywhere. If I won't go there, you won't go there. If I you people in the see, you understand? Bad man, it's just a day here. You understand me? I blend up, oh, my nigga. I blend up. You know be anything. You understand me? You are the street boy, you are the playboy, you are the hard boy. You understand me? When I talk truth, I don't fear anybody in face. You understand me? The president of that way he call the prof there way he talk to him for the stadium there. Master, madam, if you be so, your life day, where you be so, you won't take your father and power rule the country. The country not be a father in you. This country not be a father in you. When you go fit take any decision, when you go think deep into him, and you go ask questions into him, how the message was even conveyed to you. Because your father is a president, you think you can take any decision for the citizens? You said, play the high top, eh? Play the high top. Or if you say somebody don't fear anybody, we don't nobody fear anybody for this country inside. Man tire. The nonsense thing for the man tire. Which president in daughter? You call stadium because you they sing. You be Tiwa Savage. You be Celine Dion. You be Beyonce. Because you president daughter. So yeah, you marry a carry. Come on for them. Come on for them. I know how you believe. So maybe I go see the way they convey the message. So they called Lord Come and Lord Come. Lord Come only asked me about one show preparation where they tell us so we won't even pay for that. Lord Come, he called Prof to make say Charlie. He here say Stonebowy they won't do show for them. It will be chaotic a little bit. Because Shatta and Stonebowy there, everybody know for this country. Yeah, because Stonebowy come out gun way, they know they can go and capo. So you see the fool in the fool. As the fool, nobody tell on Stone. No, come on. 25th and 22nd. I saw their flyers out there. They have activities. Don't do that. Let them do. When they finish, you come and do your show. But the best decision is Stonebowy for doing you. Thank you. We here. Take the country. You see this thing people they talk. I swear, you see this president, you see the thing they do. Ghana put they suffer. They tell you your father, they make the put they suffer. You did the way you won't fight for stadium for show. Something where you don't get knowledge about. They talk about time. It be so. People go there. It be so. Make people chop their country. Take their country chop them. Because me, I don't make ready say I will can't beg any politician they can pay artists royalties or make them watch Ghana music because they don't even care. Ghana musicians for all they know Ghana musicians they don't get money. Yeah, they all sell for my money. Yes, I mean the corner they all sell for my thing. Charlie, I'm tired with this kind of nonsense decisions. Yes, I mean, sometimes you know some big men say for Ghana say they call them, they call then later they will go call you. Oh, then I make this. Charlie, we tired. Forget everything. We tired. Because this kind of nonsense, it be nonsense. Show way we they do every year for one fans. Show way every year. Man, they build them for fans. Show way every year. We they do them successfully. Nobody they come inside. You say my fans be but we here. You say my fans be trotro that we here. You say my fans they no go school. We here. We get place where we they play. Nobody they come inside. Last year that boy used 11 days to do promo. 11 days where we take few studio. Go ask the people they organize whiskey show. The way they tire, they tire of. They give people ticket. People say we won't come if Shatta is not there. Those music industry people where they gather. Make I tell you, Ghanaians they love me. Oh. So fuck you if you did radio and TV top where they talk nonsense. Ghanaians they love me. Ghanaians they get thank like me say I get money where I go visit an election. Like you go vote for me hands down. Ghanaians they love me. Fathers, mothers, grandmothers, grandparents, great grandmothers. The ones they die. They love me. So me I get spirits. Not say I get spirits. I know they fear anybody in face. Make I talk my mind, because if it's the truth, I go talk. See, are you president? If somebody call you, wait. So if you don't fit get time, so let me talk to Shatta's team and also listen to the story, their side of the story, so you can come to by you pick phone because your father be president. Asia, we did this Ghana inside. If you say we the hustle, Ghana musicians they suffer. So don't come and be taking on decisions in our business. And they tell you, no, nobody can play with me for you. You want this country so stupid too much. You get time called stadium and that stadium say you be president in daughter, so make Shatta no do the show. Which president? I want to see which daughter be that. Make I ask him say the thing do if make it think deep into him. Say wasn't it wise to also call Shatta? What's Stonebowy the only artist for Ghana? All people they say I'm Apache, so they say I'm pretty. What's Apache what Jimmy say? See I'm stop if you go do that thing. I go step your laptop. Forget everything. I go step your laptop. I go step up. Forget everything. I go step if you hear me play. I go step your laptop. You want to talk? Then somebody go talk like you. I mean, I know they see you more. The nonsense thing they do. Somebody if you keep quiet, and they watch you, and they feel like, hey, man, if you see me, you know say you live one on one. If you see me, you go, I go slap you. I don't care who they see the stuff, but I go slap you. How you see, man? Continue them and the president daughter call. It be so people want to do politics. Everything politics for Ghana here. Everything they want to take do politics. We know. You are MPP, we know, MPP artist. Your father, godfather Samini said we MPP artist. We know. Let people carry out. But the country people say you don't do anything for them. So they wait for you election day. They want somebody who will be street. Understand me? This nonsense thing. Like you just can take decision. You go take decision for the country. Hey, bad man, if you take Ghana where you know they believe say you be citizen here, and you go make they go take some things around you. Get there. Get there. Stonebowy be the only artist, so as he call you, maybe your friend. You come in the name of Ghana for media. I don't know how did they coach you for house where you go feel Stonebowy go feel call you way, you know what that time and look for Charlie, and let me get Shatta's team number. No, not even Shatta's number. I want to talk to them and ask them what the situation is before I take a decision and call the prof and talk to him. Because your father be president, so you use that power. Why? Stonebowy says Shatta doesn't want him to do the show. Then, come on, don't do that. Let them do their show and let Stonebowy also do it. Oh, okay. Now if they want to do it, okay, then let Stonebowy do it. Hey. Ghana, the country, the country be very funny country. The country be funny country. The country be funny country. I tell you people, this country be funny country. It's funny. This country, it be funny country. Because you see, this kind of things we Kevin Taylor, then he go can't talk, and somebody go see Kevin Taylor like, why he talk like that? Kevin Taylor will speak about certain things because I don't know. I say technology passed one old men for this country. Technology. It passed them. They know they understand technology. What they go on, they know they understand. They know they get the picture. I tell you. I tell you, because what power the president in daughter gets? Why he be minister for stadium? Or the minister for football and hockey? Or the minister for let me take care of the place? What power where you get where you go to call stadium and talk say make them make Stonebowy do a show? When you go ask question, why or you show organizer? Why you don't do show for O2? President Jota, you don't do show for O2. They can't convey message to you like Lord Comment no even get involved into this. He was just trying to know how the whole situation is. And he got to know that there's a 3-day setup before a show at the stadium. So the prof should know how he will take his decision. What prof, if you get there, he said president in daughter. So that's what I'm telling my team. So as the president in daughter call you there, no, so right, hey. Do you know the implications of what you are doing? Do you know what the fans can do? Do you know what the power the fans get when they go? Not be me, I don't get that power, but do you know the power of the fans? Do you know what they can do? Me titles, Titles, You need to move me apart from the name of God. When you get title, when you don't get sense, you can't be my friend. When you don't get wisdom, knowledge, and understanding, you can't be my friend. When you meet me and we are talking, your heart go calm. Because when you don't make your speech right, I'll make sure I point it to you. But man say, hey, forget everything. Me I tell you something. Nobody say somebody go sing go say, on Shatta they know the respect. I don't care. That be your mind. But I know the respect. But God they bless me. God know me my heart. No be you fucking man where God create, where you fool, where you don't even believe in God. You are a foolish person. But God know my heart. And the acts of wisdom, knowledge, and understanding from God every time. And I see why mankind they make the world so difficult. Because sometimes we take decisions and they bring different matters. When they take decisions and they bring different matters. How can you take a decision like this? That because maybe Stonebowy has met you before, or you know Stonebowy, or if you to ask, you can't tell your father who is the president. I can't tell your father who is the president. Do you think you will get power? If I come and explain this to your father who is the president, do you think you'll be happy? If I let your father who is the president, let him call me and let me come and explain this to him and see how he will solve this. Stonebowy just call you now, see, Shatta say, the stadium in my father home. The stadium in my mother home. Even for my family people. What are we talking about here? If people decide, say you know go make we do show for the stadium. Because Stonebowy say won't do show for the stadium. Make people do and see how many people they will go there. If like make people gather yourself from your family to family members. If like make people do rally, people go see the wrath of God. If people like that, how you want me to say God they work. Watch the avenue. But you can't see you can't do that, you can't talk say no and but Master, if you anywhere you did, if you don't understand anything, just shut up. Just shut up. It's very sad, It's very sad for this country, How people they take power, they sit the country top. They put for the country to suffer. But you know how many big men when they did this country, where they get money. They keep money for room. See recently, they catch the Gabon president. See the money where he pack for room. What did they take to? Mankind. Why no call these citizens and give them? You are the president. There's no way you are going to lack money in your life in this country. Help the people so that the people also can help you. With the day when they take any decision, because they say somebody will challenge. They say the president is not I call, so challenge as you call there, make Stonebowy if you do in show. Oh, no problem. No problem. No problem at all. The president, oh cool. I see me Shatta Wale. I can't tell the president daughter say, you see the decision taken. The nonsense decision. The foolish decision because she don't ask question. You know, ask question. It be foolish decision we take. You know, ask question. Forget everything. My nigga. What you can tell me, say president. President daughters what? President daughters like so what? Like so like president daughters so what? Like what make I do? No, president daughters so what make I do? So far as so far as in where got a stadium to tell them say make they make Stonebowy doing show. And if I not like me, I mean whatever. Today we saw the profit talk. The profit today the stadium there. You now you talk my team. See the stadium needs a 3-day setup. Here they tell you say if Afro Nation they can do them a show 19th December for maybe Labadi Beach, and they have 3 weeks. Sometimes actually the team they come Ghana 2 months, 3 months before that time. All is part of the setup to get everything right. Then as they go do 19th, you know, some people say they want to do them a show 17th. Hey. Charlie, but Ghana it be very beautiful village. Oh. The people that we want to talk for this country. Eh? Hey. That is every funny me. Like Nyasa Benny. Like Nyasa Benny. Listen, there's a what they talk. Afro Nation, they can do Afro Nation 19th December for Ghana. Then they must set up. It go take them about 3 weeks or a month. I don't know, but Charlie, did a fly come here? So imagine. Then they say some guys say want to do show for the same place, no, for the Labadi Beach, no. So it not be anything. When the guy finished, then they go fi set up. Hey. And the president daughter, you don't care to call. Like they do show. Like president promotion, I love their promotion, Kwaba UK. Hashim promotions. Boogie Down Nima promotions. They do show. So you just take phone, where you call, where you take this. Prof, let Stonebowy do it. So that's a very foolish decision. But I say me as I sit down, if I sit with that president's daughter, I go tell her, saying decision taking be foolish decision. Because you know ask question. That's not your field. I don't know the kind of job you do, but you're not a musician. You can never fucking take this decision in this music world. You don't have that right. It's not in the constitution for you at all. In the Shatta movement constitution, we won't buy this. What the fuck? What do you mean? The country not be anybody you know. I get what I'm saying. It's not for anybody. We are all citizens, proud ones, of course. This is me, Shatta Wale. Me, I'm proud to say I'm from Ghana. Don't see her like that. Don't see her like that. Not see her like that. Ali, that be the news I want to tell you. Anybody where they support that team, may go support them. A show maybe what they go Kumasi or Tamale, and then go do them for there. If they like, maybe that was it. Maybe like, maybe take the stadium, carry them, put for back, take run. If they finish, maybe they take cook the stadium cook stew. The president the daughter, then maybe they take some and they go give the president the daughter. Maybe they go give them, and make it chop some stadium soup. If they finish the gate, they go fit cut them into pieces and take do salad. The pole he did there. If they finish, they go fit break them and take do toothpick and take clean them teeth inside. Maybe they take the stadium more and chop them like banku. Whatever people want to do them. Because Shatta fill the stadium 360. I want ya Benny. Nobody figures sense. Yes, Stonebowy say go do this. Oh, so you and Shatta can come together, and it's December, so at least you share love to your fans to show the people that yes, you guys are together, and you know, some unity type of thing. So you guys should come together and even do this show together. It will be very beautiful. You understand me? You come in your setup. So, like that one safe. I will not say, oh, Charlie, this country, they think, because they know what is peace. But see what a country. Every day, politician, this one chop money, this one no do this one no do that. And even we dey inside. Even we dey inside. So they go take some decision, make it bring another chaotic movement. Ask people the honk. But Charlie, man, you see these countries are really. If I say I will talk plenty things, I swear, through me, people no go vote. But that man, it just there like waste of time. Because we go fit there, somebody we see somebody we try for Ghana music. They make the world, bad man, forget everything. People, everybody go Nigeria. But if I go Nigeria, they will carry me. Nigeria, they will keep me. They love me for who I be. Because they know say I know the fake. Nigga. So they can't go London where I just get my jacket and this was so make I start London myself before, I just go look London. I'm already do some one or two shopping, make I just drip on, drip on like that, my AC thing on and shit like that, nigga like, thing on AC, they feel like, yeah. They the country, they take some decision. Nigga, let's just keep it like that, This don't matter we can't talk. If they like, they talk. May they take the stadium, do public soup and share for people. Whatever they want to do, may they do them. You understand me? Stonebowy, I tell you, don't make me I see you eye to eye. Don't make we meet like that. I don't want that thing. In your life, if you pass. You understand me? Or if you see me do like go smile with you, I go slap you, I go break your leg, I they tell you something because as you come out gun, they don't warn you. They don't talk to you. They don't talk sense into your brains. So you did the way they take your party. They do. I'm a cripple. I'm a cripple. Me from now on, I know they see you mobile. Don't see you like that. I know they see you. And they see like you. They see say you be a hard guy. You understand me? When I date some place, don't come there. I they tell you something. They show you people go take and chew them. Charlie, fuck everything.